Hi Foxes, and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Brittany and I am known as SHOPFOXBURROW on places like Instagram and Etsy and Poshmark, and today I have a styling video for you. I'm so excited to be bringing you a Modcloth haul and unboxing. So Modcloth recently did a collaboration with, I think, Collectif. And they just had this really adorable bunny print, and so I was looking through and I decided that I wanted to try one of the bunny print items, and then they were also having a sale on sale, so I went ahead and put together a pretty decent sized order, and so I'm just really excited to unbox this for you today. So I don't actually remember what exactly I purchased. That is kind of the downside of working with clothing all the time. There's just like so many pieces in your head that sometimes I just sort of forget what I ordered. So this is going to be a little bit of a surprise for me too. I know, I think 2 things that I ordered, so let's see what else I got. So the first thing I ordered, oh, this is giant. Okay. The first thing I ordered is this hair barrette, and I did not expect it to be quite so big. It's really big. But I thought that the little like daisy floral pattern was cute. You can see it here, and normally when I do my hair like this, I put a barrette in the back of my hair, and I thought that this would like be cute, but I think that that's gonna be like really big, so I might try it with curled hair and then see about like styling it on the side, but this is big, so I don't know. I'm not 100% on that one. Okay, next I have a top that I know I'm going to love, and I actually have this top in almost every color, like solid color that they have made, because I am obsessed with it. I love this shirt so much. It's so comfortable and flattering and cute, and I love pairing it with skirts. It's just a sort of like corally, rusty color, and it has these big like balloon style sleeves with a tapered cuff, and I just love wearing these with my skirts. So I have it in like 4 or 5 other colors, and now I have it in one more. This is big. What did I... Oh, I think this is a cardigan. Okay. So I've been really wanting like a big sort of like printed cocoon cardigan, and I've been eyeing some vintage ones. But the one that I really want is $300. I'm not going to spend that much money. So I saw this. I think it was in the sale on sale, and I thought I would try it. Okay, let's see. It is a long... Well, it's washing. Okay, let's erase it. Okay. So it is a long cardigan in this pretty floral print with like big sleeves, and then it, let's see, does it have pockets? Yes, it has pockets in the side, which is most excellent, and then just sort of like that waterfall front. So I think I'm really gonna like this. It's not scratchy at all, and it feels like a nice quality material. Let's see what this is. It is cotton and acrylic, so it's got a nice weight to it, and yeah, so I'm excited about this one. I think this will be a nice casual piece. So this cardigan is really soft and cozy, and I actually really like how the sleeves are very like big and balloony, because it lets me fit like larger sleeves underneath it, so I can wear it with like tops that have larger sleeves. I don't really think it looks good with this outfit, unfortunately. I think I would probably wear it mostly with like pants, or honestly just like lounging around the house. But yeah, I do like this one, and I think it will probably be a keeper. I remember this now. I got this dress. I thought this was so cute. I don't have a lot of blue dresses, though I think that they look good on me. And this one I thought would be cute to layer. It's got little tie shoulders and like a sweetheart bust, and then of course it's the Modcloth House brand, so I think it should have pockets. Yes, it has pockets, and it's a nice quality, and it's got this little print on it. Let's see if I can show you. There we go. Can you see that? So yeah, just almost like a woven like chambray type of material, but it just has that colorful like detail to it, and it's the fit and flare style, which I love, so I thought that this would be cute. And let's see, I got a size 12 in this one. So this dress is so cute. I had to steam it quite a bit to get all of the wrinkles out. There's so much fabric. I love how full it is. And I like the little tie shoulders. But unfortunately, as you will see in just a moment, it doesn't fit. So even though I got a 12 instead of a normal 10, the bust on it is only 39 inches and my bust is 41 inches. So I am 2 inches shy of this fitting, and it was final sale. So don't know if I'm going to sell that or what. Okay, I don't remember this, but it looks like something that I will like. So I've been pretty, I don't want to say obsessed, but I've been really into sort of like the almost like 90s Y2K revival of like ribbed like sweaters and tops, because I actually find that they're so flattering for like a bigger chest because they stretch nicely and then they still stay fitted on the rest of you. And then they actually hold up pretty well in washing too. So I saw this, and this was a ribbed top, and like you can see how small it is, like how small that looks, because this is a large, but once you like get it on, I feel like they really do stretch nicely. So I hope that this works out. It's definitely got that like 90s like Y2K neckline there with like a little bit of scalloping and like the lettuce hem on the sleeve here. But yeah, just sort of like a staple piece, I think, just like a basic cream top. And this is actually a color I don't have a lot of in my closet because I have children, so I need like more durable things that can be spot cleaned, and I think that this one will fit the bill. It is cotton and spandex, so nothing that will get weird in the wash, I think. Oh, this is another one of those tops with the big balloon sleeve that I absolutely love. And this is like, I have an olive green, but this is like an emerald green color. And yeah, just nice big sleeve, emerald green, got the size large. I line dry these because I put it through the dryer once because it says that you can, and I felt like it shrank just the tiniest bit, and so now I just line dry all of them. Yeah, but excited about having more of those. So with this top, I just really love the sleeves being tapered at the ends because it makes it so much easier to just like cook and clean and stuff like that. And last but not least, the bunny pants. So this is the cutest print. The bunnies are pink and not white, which I don't know how I feel about that, but maybe it's going to be cute. I sized up pretty hard on this one and went with an extra large. Because I feel like, I don't know, pants have just been really weird for me lately, and I wanted to not have them be like too tight. So these I can exchange if I need to, as long as they are still in stock in my preferred size. But I think this should be a good fit for me. They're high rise. They have this bunny print all over them. They do look a little long in the inseam, but hopefully, because they're such a high rise, it won't actually be that long of an inseam. I just love this print. So cute. Okay, let's try this on. I can't wait to see what it looks like. So while the print on these is adorable, you can see they are just not flattering at all. They are tragically unflattering, and these were a little bit too large for me, too long for me. But they didn't have pockets in the side seams, and that kept getting on my nerves. And then the fabric was just not that nice. I just didn't really love it. Here I'm going to try that ginormous hair bow, which I did decide to keep because it did end up looking pretty cute with this hairstyle. And I thought also that I could put it on the end of a braid. So I ended up liking this hair bow. And decided to keep that. The top I'm still kind of iffy on. It ended up being like a little tight, especially on the sleeves. And I felt like maybe an extra large would have been a little bit more comfortable. But it was final sale, so I'm stuck with it. I decided to roll up the pant cuff, and as you can see, they look a lot better. But still, no pockets, and they do have the pockets in the back. And, you know, I don't know, I just really didn't think that these were a flattering pant. Okay, so what did you think about that try-on haul? Was there anything that you didn't like that you think that I should return? And what was your favorite piece? So let me know down in the comments below. And if you like Modcloth hauls, definitely let me know that too, so that I can do more of them. I do shop at Modcloth relatively often, at least a couple of times a year, especially when they run sales. So let me know if you do like that, and I can do more unboxings for Modcloth. So thank you so much for tuning in, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Bye!